Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be seeing how much of this 4-valve swap we can get done. We have a box, or at least a few boxes of parts here. We got to get those installed before we can continue doing anything. I have to take this gearbox off and put on the flywheel, the clutch, the pressure plate, and also the pilot shaft bushing. So let's get into today's video. It seems like I'm gonna have to stop for today. I don't have any bolts this size. I only have the one for the pressure plate. So definitely I won't be able to install the gearbox or anything else today. I'm probably just gonna install the new motor mounts, the polyurethane motor mounts, and call it quits and start back tomorrow. Alright, so just got done installing the new polyurethane mounts, the motor mounts. There's nothing really left for me to do here now because I still need to go buy the bolts that are for the clutch that go into the flywheel. So guys, like I said, tomorrow I'm probably gonna go and buy those bolts, and we're gonna continue putting this 4 valves together. I'm gonna put the gearbox on it, and then I'm gonna be putting it in the Mustang. So we'll pick this up tomorrow. All right, so it's the next day, and for sure today this motor is going in. Let me show you what I've done, because you know, obviously I've done stuff and didn't record it. Let me get this covering off of it. All right, so motor, gearbox is on, flywheel, clutch, and pressure plate installed, brand new clutch fork and release bearing, brand new pilot shaft bearing that goes in the back of the motor into the crank, and we're gonna be putting this in today. Let me explain a few things to you guys. So what I'm gonna do, because I'm working on grass, I'm not working on concrete or floor or anything like that. I can't jack up my or lift the motor with the lift and then pull it to the Mustang. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift it, put it in the back of my truck, back right up to the Mustang, and take the motor off of the truck, rest it on the ground, and then put it in as one piece. So let's get to doing that. back down and maybe take care of more.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Alright, so whilst trying to position this thing, we just drop it on the ground, make this nice little ditch in the ground. You should drop, hit the hood, make a nice little hole in the hood. But
Get lucky though.
yeah, she get lucky because she ain't break no sensors, she ain't leaking, she ain't crack nothing. The lift just lay down to the side after I pulled the truck out from under it, and that's why I dropped. Now I'm going to be taking this hood off so that I got the proper clearance to put this in, taking the, or at least laying the wire harness to the side and moving the clutch cable out of the way. I about to name off a bunch of people who y'all might not know, but they car slow. MJ car slow, Fred's truck slow, Curtis car slow, Freddie car slow, Mello car slow. Watch yourself because they're coming down. Wait, watch yourself, watch yourself. Let it come down slow, slow, slow. Alright, so, oh shit. I mean, dang. Yeah, it's soaking. Alright, so, motor's in. Well, resting in. I have the jack on the floor here. About to jack up on the bottom of the tranny to get it to sit in properly. Then I'm going to lift the front again and line up the studs for the motor mount holes. So this is as far as we are at this time. I don't think I am going to do anything further today because this took so much energy just to get resting right here. So I'm going to try to get this thing seated properly and then I'm going to call it quits for today. Alright, so that's the first issue that I'm running in with getting it in now. If you notice, the engine is bucking the brake booster. That's because this car used to be a V6. The only issue I'm gonna have with this being a V6, or it used to be V6, is that the booster has to change. It has to turn into that slim V8 style booster. So I'm just gonna remove this one for now and slide the engine in so we can bolt it up. All right, so engine is in the car. It is sitting a bit higher than I expected, but hopefully the hood is shaped for it and trans is in the right position. Look like I'm gonna have to do a little bit of trimming on the tunnel to get the shifter to fit. Definitely, show your face, bud. Definitely wouldn't have get this in without the help of Whitson. I had to go in and pick him up, but I was fighting with this so much. But that's all for today. We got the engine and the transmission in. Thank you guys so much for watching. Shut up, boy. I'll get you guys on the next one. Shut up, boy. Nigga, boy. Nigga's always trying to get a feature.